Well, hurricane season for 2013 might possibly go down in history as a quiet year, especially if you look at just August, where we've had no hurricanes. We have had named storms, but no hurricanes thus far. This has happened in the past. In fact, we saw this happen 6 times since 1944. In 2002, that was another year in August that had no hurricanes, but that doesn't mean that in September things don't get really active, because in 2002 we had 8 named storms in September, and 2 of which became very powerful storms. Now let's take a look at the latest satellite image. We are taking a look at 3 different disturbances that could develop into a tropical storm or tropical disturbance. What do we need for hurricane development? Well, we need warm, moist ocean air. We need ocean temperatures of at least 26 Celsius. We need no dry air above that, or aloft, and we need a disturbance or a trigger. Now, we tend to get those disturbances, those triggers, by something called an easterly wave, which is basically kind of like a round of thunderstorms moving off the west coast of Africa. It acts like a little area of convergence or low pressure, and if it continues along the easterly winds, and if it does continue to become stronger, well, then it can start to circulate in a counterclockwise motion, and it develops features like maybe an eye. We've heard of that with the hurricane. An eye actually has sinking air down towards the ocean, or high pressure up here. So we have subsidence. We have warm air rising on either side of the eye wall, which happens to be where the greatest risk for thunderstorms, or the strongest thunderstorms, are. And then we have this counterclockwise motion developing into, if it reaches 119 kilometers an hour, a hurricane.